Hello everyone, welcome back. This video is going to be really short. I just want to have one item that I missed on the previous video. It was super long just because I was out for a month, 30 days out from vacation. So I forgot to mention my Tradeogre situation. So I still have lockdown on my 3 accounts. As you can see, one account 39,000 Kaspa, second one 71,000 Kaspa, and the third account 75,000 Kaspa. So that's 185,000 Kaspa locked out for transfer. I can, however, sell it, but if I sell this Kaspa, I can only sell right now at 2.4 cents, roughly, right? 2.4, 2.5 cents. So let's say I want to sell 185,000 Kaspa on Tradeogre right now. I'm only gonna get $4,500 in USDT. Then I can transfer out from the wallet, but I cannot transfer Kaspa. Now that is 4.2 cents on any other wallet. That's 7,700. So roughly what, $3,200 loss. So it's a huge amount, 3,000 something, right? Yeah, 3,100 probably, or so. So it's unfortunate, but the Tradeogre issue is still there. It still shows maintenance on the wallet. I did contact the Tradeogre several times. I tried, but the response was it's the issue with the Kaspa wallet and it's still in maintenance. But it's been over 1.5 months, and the last month the price on Kaspa on Tradeogre was dropping. Kind of unusual compared to any other exchange. So, and the price is supposed to be what, the 4.3 cents, right? 4.3, 4.2 on the other exchanges. However, on Tradeogre I can only sell at 2.4 just because you cannot send Kaspa anywhere out, and if you have it there and when you want to get rid of it, that's the only way to sell at lower price. But I did purchase some at when it dropped to 21 or 22 cents right here, 22, yeah, just in case, if it's go up, I'll just balance it out. So that, just want to throw it out. I don't recommend doing that, but that's something for me. I'm trying to kind of balance, try to put back maybe to USD and somehow get at least some of it out of Tradeogre before it gets worse. I don't know if they're gonna fix it or not, but that's the situation right now. Now another thing I want to update quickly is my solo mining. It's gonna be in 1 hour. It's gonna be 3 days complete 72-hour mining on solo for KS3L. And I want to do comparison with my pool mining on Humpool on KS3L with updated firmware, which probably doesn't matter because the with updated firmware I'm getting same results as you've seen previously in my video, that this 10 days test I had, updated firmware. This is not updated firmware, KS3L mining for 10 days, total Kaspa 27,779, and with updated firmware it was 100 Kaspa less, so about 10 Kaspa a day less, which is not a big deal. So let's take a look at the pool mining versus solo mining on KS3L. So we can just disregard updated firmware or not. I don't know if it's affect anything. I hope not, but with the not updated firmware, I'm mining on solo mining pool, and then pool mining on the KS3L with updated firmware. So in 3 days, I have 4,400 Kaspa, 4,482. That's equal $188, and my solo is 6,067 Kaspa. That is $254. So I'm getting 1,584 extra Kaspa by mining solo for 3 days. That's about 528 Kaspa a day extra. That it's about $22 extra compared to a pool. solo versus pool. Okay, so just want to throw it out. I don't recommend switching. You guys switching to solo. It's totally solo mining. It kind of seems to me like a more of a luck situation. With KS0, I don't have that kind of luck anymore. It was at the beginning, but not lately. However, KS3L doing well. I'm gonna keep watching it as long as I'm getting over 10 blocks a day. Right now it's almost 12 blocks a day, so which is really great. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Have a good one.